So yun, what's up mga ka-farmers. So today's video mga ka-farmers is mag-unboxing tayo. Yan, merong pinadala po ang Absolub International Corporation na si Sir Rodel Das. May pinadala siyang item yan para sa motor natin. So pinapatry niya sa akin itong product niya. So i-unbox natin mga ka-farmers. Kaya what's up po kay kay Sir Rodel Das. Thank you po sa pinadala niyong item. Susubukan ko po sa aking motor. Sa hindi po nakakakilala kay Sir Rodel Das, siya po ang CEO o President ng Absolub International Corporation. So pinadala niyo tayo ng sample ng kanyang product. Susubukan natin sa ating motor. So yan, i-unbox muna natin mga ka-farmer.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it.
Itong
I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last.
oil enhancer. So itong 50 ml oil enhancer, ihalo natin dito sa oil. Saka natin siya ilalagay sa motor. Binutasan ko na.
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
15 minutes ako nag-shake nitong oil na to. Nahalo na natin. So meron ako ditong walang laman. Yan. So kailangan lang naman natin na ilagay 800 ml. So dito may panotas yung ng Honda 800. So ita-transfer natin to dito para makuha natin yung 800 ml. Ng panahon tipa. So yan 800 ml na yan mga ka-farmers. So ito yung ilalagay natin sa ating motor. So yun, meron na tayong 800 ml. So babalik lang natin dito. So wala na tong laman, inalis ko muna para yun lang ilalagay natin sa ating motor. So yan, maghanap na lang tayo mga ka-farmers na maglalagay nito sa ating motor kasi hindi ako marunong maglagay. So ipapalagay na lang natin, so magpapaservice na lang tayo. So yon, ito yung motor natin na mga ka-farmers. Yan. So nagbiblink na kasi dito sa akin. Yan, na kailangan na siyang i-change oil. So sakto yung product ni sir. Yan. Yan, for change oil na po yung ating motor. So 4,010 yung natatakbo niya pa lang na kilometer. So nakakadalawang change oil pa lang to. So kung sakaling ma-change oil natin is pangatlong change oil pa lang. So susubukan natin yung product ng Absolute International Corporation na galing kay Sir Rodel Das. So dito sa video na to is papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung tunog ng aking motor ngayong hindi pa siya na-change oil. So tapos pag na-change oil na natin siya gamit yung product ni Sir, titignan din natin kung ano ang magiging tunog ng ating motor. So tignan muna natin yung motor natin na hindi pa change oil, kung ano ang tunog niya. So yon, yan ang tunog ng ating motor na hindi pa change oil. So papa-change oil muna natin, tapos i-compare natin yung magiging tunog nila kapag na-change oil na ang ating motor. So yun, mga ka-farmers, is nakauwi na tayo. So yan, na-change oil na ang ating motor. So tignan ulit nga natin. So yan, nawala na yung oil change. So yan, bagong change oil na siya. Gamit natin yung product ng Absolute Scooter Oil. Sa ngayon, hindi pa natin yan masyadong mapapansin kung ano talaga magiging reaction ng ating sasakyan, motor. Malaman natin yan kung nakailang gamit ng ating motor. So ngayon, so pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung tunog ng itong bago nating oil sa ating motor. So i-compare natin yung hindi pa siya na-change oil sa ngayon sa na-change oil na siya. Ayan, start. So yun, maraming salamat pala kay Sir Rodel Das, ng CEO President ng Absolute International Corporation. Salamat po sa pagbibigay ng sample. So far, sana ayos yung resulta sa ating motor. So alamin pa natin mga ka-farmers, sana maganda. So far so good. Medyo okay naman ang ating motor. Galing pang ng Naga yan. So 21 km yung aking binay. So hanggang dito na lang mga ka-farmers. Update ko na lang kayo kung ano pong magiging resulta ng ating nilagay na Absolute Scooter Oil sa ating motor. Bye-bye!
Hi, Nairicos TV. Ako nga pala sumigit lang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe kay Nairicos TV.
Yay!
Nairicos TV, shoutout sa'yo. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Power!